Sometime last year, I shared my hair care routine, and many of you guys may have benefited from that. So, here I am with my new hair care routine again, hoping it helps in any way possible. And it is really simple, really minimal, no hassle. So here's everything from how often I wash my hair to when I apply what products. So starting with the basics, there is actually no fixed time for me to wash my hair. Like there are no fixed days in a week on which I wash my hair. So basically, I wash it whenever I feel like it. But mostly it is about every 4th or 5th day. Because my hair usually gets really dirty and oily by then. And to wash my hair, I'm currently using this DHT blocking shampoo from Man Matters. And also, I'll try to put the links of these products in the description. So to wash my hair, I concentrate most of the shampoo on my scalp instead of the length because that is the area where most of the oil and the grease resides. And when the scalp is perfectly lathered up, I'll just smoothen the lather over the length as well. And I've explained the proper hair wash method in another video which you can watch by clicking on this I tab. So this shampoo has been really good so far. It washes my hair perfectly and it is sulfate free. And it has really helped in reducing hair loss. Once I'm done washing my hair, I'll just put it in a towel for a few minutes that can absorb most of the water out of it. And then I'll just let it air dry. Unlike many others who comb their hair while it's still wet, I don't like to do that because both the hair strands and the roots are highly vulnerable when wet. So no matter how careful I am, I'll still end up damaging them if I try to comb them while they're still wet. So it usually takes around 1.5 hours for my hair to get dry, and I'm usually working at that time or simply playing games as I am a really hardcore gamer. But once my hair is completely dry, I'll first comb it really slowly and carefully before applying anything. After I've successfully combed my hair, I'll just simply apply oil to it. So I used to use coconut oil for this operation, but these days I've switched to this hair oil from Ustra because this one is lighter than coconut oil and it doesn't make my hair as greasy and oily as coconut oil does. Plus, it smells really good. And as far as the oil goes, I'm not going to apply any more of it until I wash my hair again, which is of course every 4th or 5th day. So you can say I apply oil every 4th or 5th day and not every day. So all the things we wear and the things we put our head on absorbs the oil from the hair, due to which our hair dries out over time. So after 3 days or so, my hair also starts getting dry, and this is where the hair serum comes into play. So I only apply the serum to my hair when I feel it is getting dry at the ends, but the root area is still not greasy enough for me to wash. And the serum lasts me at least a day or two, which is enough because I was going to wash my hair by that time anyways. And the routine cycle repeats. Wash, let it air dry, apply oil, after 2 days apply serum, after 2 days wash again and again and again. So that was my hair care routine, brothers. As I said, really simple, really minimal, no hassle. So I hope you found out something helpful out of it, and in case you did, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And don't forget to tell me the topics for upcoming videos in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll see you guys around.